but I want to go and take a look at that structure, see what's happening. I haven't been there, right? So I can go over to my view menu, choose Google Street View, come in here, just click nearby it, and if Google has a picture of it, it'll show us it right within our software. See that coming up? And so in this case, I can see there's my catch basin, right? Or if I want to go and go down that bike path, I can just go and navigate down that path, right? Or maybe I see some other thing of point of interest, right? So I can, and you can park this on another monitor if you want. But anyways, I noticed that there's an outfall here. So I want to go look at that outfall. So I'm going to just grab this guy and just pull him over there. And it's going to show us that outfall. And I can say, well, you know, this is of concern. I want to add that to my project. So I hit the camera button. They'll take a picture of that, add that to our photo catalog, and then it will reference it in your engineering report. So, and you can also bring in other, you know, if you have your own images, you can bring those in as well in there. So anyways, you can use it for other tools besides that. But anyways,